This place better than the Isle of Man one. I think you might be right, actually. It's got a big bowl of doom, is it?
A lot of variety.
And also a lot more like wiggly and jumpy.
Yeah.
Yes. This is Charlton skate park, and we've come to try out the new LiPo battery, which we've just received.
I don't know how to get in.
Good landing. I wouldn't jump it off quite like that. I'd try and go slowly to get it off so you don't destroy it. Whoa! You after me? Nice. Whoa, a little wheelie there.
I think the gorgon, I don't think the gorgon could be sideways wheelies like X.
You could practice and try. Oh, I can hear it, but I can't see it. Whoa! God! I've never seen a trick like that before. Stunning. Oh, bring it back. If you drive forward, it'll come out. Go forward. Woo.
But I can't help falling.
Oh, something's broken. Well, we've had an impromptu ending to our session today. We're going to have to go home and figure out what's wrong with the car. I think the little cogs, the names of which I've forgotten, have come apart. So it's going to be a bit of work, isn't it? And it's rather upsetting, isn't it? Shall we finish the video with a big
Record on a video about the car. Turn it on and show what's wrong.
Yes, okay. There we are. But the wheels are not spinning. I think the little cogs that are in there have come apart from a big bang.
I think the motor slipped from the gear.
Where are we going to have to look?
In here. Our hypothesis was correct.
What hypothesis was that?
The gorgon, look, they're not touching each other.
Oh, yes. What's that bit called? Do you remember?
Pinion.
Yes.
It's not touching the pinion. And then if we do that, the wheels. Look.
Yeah, that's the gear for the motor, I think. Or
Is it
no, maybe
fixed?
the motor
So
comes from
why
there.
doesn't it spin? It doesn't have to, because look at
Well, I
it.
haven't fixed it yet. I need to unscrew these to here, move it that way, probably put a bit more thread locker on, because I guess the thread locker, maybe it wasn't tight enough or something, or maybe it would just hit so hard that it went and moved it in that direction. Right, I'll get on with that now, hey? I think I might have moved the pinion a bit too close to the big cog here, because listen, sounds like,
Yeah.
you don't think it should be like that. Whoa. So I'm going to move it just a tiny bit that way. Okay. Oh, have you turned the video off?
No.
No,
I
please turn
want
the video
you
off.
to keep videoing.
Really?
Yeah. I'm doing. Did this sideways wheelie when I was turning while it's going on full power?
Does it sound a little bit louder than it is, or does it sound the same?
About the same, I think.
Okay. Well, anyway, we got it fixed.
Didn't you see it like lifted off?
Yeah. Well, this video is going to be a short one because it's not all that exciting watching here, is it? So I'm going to stop it here and say bye-bye.